Greetings and welcome to the Student Success Tutorials series. Today we will access Learning Express using your Student One Card account. If your school isn't participating in the Student One Card program yet, you can access these resources with a regular library card and PIN. Student Success. Career resources in Learning Express. Get free access to library resources with your Student One Card. Have your Student One Card ready. You will need to know your school district prefix and school-issued student ID number. Account number examples, SRCS 123456 or RVUSD 123456. PIN example, year of birth, 2006 or 2012. Call any Sonoma County Library location for help finding your Student One Card number. Please refer to sonomalibrary.org/student-one card for more information regarding your Student One Card. If you don't have a Student One Card, you'll need a Sonoma County Library account. If you don't already have one, sign up for an e-card at sonomalibrary.org. First, fill out this form. Be sure to note your account number and 4-digit PIN. Then, when you're done, access Learning Express 24 hours a day using the Online Resources tab. Visit sonomalibrary.org, your 24-hour-a-day Sonoma County Library branch. Click on the Learning Express icon under Job Seeking and Skills. After clicking Go, a new page will appear for you to put in your library card number. Select Sign In to log in with the account you created previously. Log in with your username and password. Your username is the email address you used to register. Click Home to get to the page with different centers to explore. The two we will discuss today are Career Preparation and Job and Career Accelerator. Career preparation includes the topics listed here, such as exploring different jobs, practice work exams, and job searching. The Job and Career Accelerator is for finding the right career, preparing your resume, and for your interview, and finding possible internships or job openings. Using Build Resumes and Job Letters, one can go through tutorials with tips on how to improve letters of introduction, resumes, and salary negotiation. Prepare for an Interview has tips for more success in interviews. Job and Career Accelerator covers topics for those who may be at a loss of what to do. Career preparation is more for those who have a career or job already in mind. Enjoy Learning Express. Follow us for more helpful videos or get help from a librarian at sonomalibrary.org. Thank you for watching.